Hmm?
I felt that I have loads.
Sorry.
Sorry. I'm saying I felt that I have that we all have loads of things
Hmm?
to be thankful for, but to be grateful for, but we just take it for granted.
Yes.
And ma'am, yeah, one more thing. I saw this video of this lady who was an actress before.
Hmm?
So she shared this video where a few years ago her entire face was paralyzed,
Hmm.
and then she was absolutely stressed with her life. She was in she was very depressed. So then her mother used to always tell her that be grateful, be grateful. So then she said, what should I be grateful for? I have nothing. My entire face is paralyzed.
Hmm.
Then once she took her to the hospital for treatment, and over there she saw that there are so many other people. Their entire left side is paralyzed, right side is paralyzed. They are paralyzed below their neck. And then she felt that how grateful she is, because there were few people, they were abandoned, their spouses had left them because of this paralysis problem. Then she felt that she is so grateful, she is so blessed, she has her family with her, she has the support of her friends, her family, everyone.
Hmm. Yes. Yeah.
And even if you want, I can share the video in the group. And she even she said that we all should write our blessings, and only then we'll understand that we have so much to be grateful for.
Yeah. See, if it is a movie which is ending on a good note, okay, on a happy note, then you share, because we have some young
Oh
kids.
yeah.
Yeah. So if you feel it is okay and they'll not, be a little upset or
Mhm.
think about that, then you share it in the group.
Yeah,
Okay.
because she was using very huge scientific terms, so that is why I felt that will they understand?
You can still mention the name. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Hmm.
there are more movies like that. Remember that movie?
No, no, it was
Rajesh.
not a movie. It was not a movie. It was basically an interview. Her name is Rageshwari Loomba. Loomba.
Okay. Okay. Oh, Rageshwari, that the actress.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yes, yes. So that I think you can share. So what if she was using scientific terms? I don't think it is very disturbing to see, right? Is it? It's just an interview you can share. Yeah. Yes. And I was saying you must have seen the movie Guzarish of Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya. Even that movie tells us about, how important it is that we should be grateful for the body that we have. We take so many things for granted. Most of the times we do that, especially our body and relationships. So we should not be doing that, and we should be grateful. Yeah, Rageshwari is very much into this blessings, gratitude, because she has totally recovered through so many this, self healing techniques and whatever, of course, the medicines also. And she is the one who has totally recovered, and she promotes writing
A
blessings and being
mindful
grateful.
coach.
Yeah, she's a life coach as well. Yes, yes. Hmm. So who else? Thank you, Kushi. You can share the interview in the group.
Ma'am, I was sharing.
Yes, Kashvi, very nice. Yeah. Hmm.
Ma'am, after like my father was so busy in work, so busy that I think from 2 months we haven't spent time with him.
Okay.
I from 4 to 5 days I wrote that we are spending so much time, and today
Hmm.
he only said he let's come and take one plate and eat our breakfast, and he was like, I was like shocked. How can this be possible? It's not din baat. How can it be possible? And I was like shocked. And today he was playing music, dancing, and everything. I was totally shocked.
Wow, and you must be thankful, Okay, TK, it was a pleasant surprise. Yeah, it was like awesome surprise. And then you should be thankful for
I'm
your
so
dad.
thankful.
Yeah, you keep on thanking the universe. Okay. And if you're thankful, what will happen? More such situations will keep on happening. Yeah. And I'm so happy that you wrote about it and it came true. Very nice. Wonderful. Wonderful sharing, Kashmir. Yeah. Very good. Hmm. So you had started your morning early and you did everything, and see what happened. Don't you think it happened because of your magical start to the morning? Hmm? The
Yes,
more,
maybe.
no, not maybe, definitely. Okay. Otherwise, how will your father know that you're writing about this? The universe knows. Hmm? He doesn't read your diary, right? So the universe knows, and the universe will make situations in such a manner that things happen to you as you want, provided you are in a good feeling zone, provided you are happy, you are above the line, and you are in gratitude. Okay, so the more you are in those happy, good feelings, in gratitude, good things will keep happening. The magic will keep happening. Yes, wonderful, wonderful sharing. More magic to you. Bless you.
Masi,
Yes.
Masi, I have a sharing.
Yeah, but I want the camera on. I want to look at you also. Huh?
Masi.
Yes, good. Very pretty. Yeah.
Yeah. So I wished that 13 days before my birthday, because I'm going to turn 13. So I wish that I'll get 13 gifts every day before my birthday.
Okay.
So I had written about it, and so it's been almost 3 days that every day. First day, my dad got sandwiches. Then yesterday, I got a lead pencil set, and today I got my sister made Monaco chart for me. So every day I'm
Wow.
getting gifts as well as something to eat. So yeah.
Very nice. But you don't look excited, huh? You have to look excited. Yeah, you should feel happy. Yes. So even if you're, a little camera shy, you should still show the excitement in your voice. तभी तो पता चलेगा ना कि yes, Avni is liking the magic in our lives. Show that excitement. You have seen little kids how they excited are. Just looking at some cute thing or anything you give to them, whether it's a mango, a chocolate, anything you give to them, and they're so excited. So that excitement should be there in your voice. Okay. Or on your face, the smiles. That is how you have to tell. Okay. Yes, very good, wonderful. And of course, we will wish you. It's on the 13th, right? When is it? Sorry, 13th.
First,
1st of June. Okay, wonderful. We'll be here together and we will wish you as well. Okay, lovely.
thank
Yes, more and more magic. अब तो मैंने पक्का ही है कि 13 दिन तक तो अभी और 10 days तक magic चलना ही चलना है, right? Very good. Yes. So anyone else, how did you feel? I want to know how you felt when you were doing the practice today.
Masi, I finally achieved the target of staying above the line the entire day.
Wow, very nice. Very good. Wonderful. But see, you should be prepared, all of you, that if we are thinking of staying above the line, it is like a practice. Uh, things might happen that disturb you, upset you, but you will go below the line. Yeah, all of us, like it is always a practice. You will go below the line, and how soon you bounce back, like on a tumble tosser, how soon you bounce back, that is what you achieve from practice. Okay, so you have to be sure that you stay above the line, and if you go down, try and come back as soon as possible. Okay.
No, because today I didn't have any class, and then if there are classes, लगता है कि कब खत्म होगा, ये कितना पढ़ना पड़ रहा है and all that. So I didn't have any class today, and I was occupied with my own stuff. So I was happy all the time.
Okay, wonderful, very good. Yes. So anyone else? And this is a big achievement, Tanvi. Okay, you should be proud of it. Not proud, you should feel more happy about it. कि yes, आज किया है तो कल भी करेंगे and परसों भी होएगा. Yes, thank you, Archit. We will do the warm up, but first let's have some more sharings. So Archit, how was your start of the day? Did you start with the magic morning? Some sharings, Archit? Yeah.
Ma'am, actually you are muted.
No, I am mute, but I can hear now. I was mute, but I can hear. My niece was, knocking at the door quite furiously. So I had muted myself. Yeah. So yes, Archit, how did you
Ma'am,
start?
how old is she?
She's 3. She just turned 3 on the 13th. Yeah. So Archit, we can't hear you. Okay, try again. Okay. Let someone else say, and you just adjust your settings and start. So Vedant, I would like to hear from you also. How was your magic morning? Did you do the practice? Did you write your blessings? हाँ, अब ऐसे ही पूछेंगे, वरना कोई नहीं करता वॉलंटियर. I will ask randomly. Yeah. Vedant, what happened? Okay. So someone else, otherwise I'll have to choose. अब लोग सब लोग का फिर mute ही नहीं हो पाएगा. I mean unmute नहीं हो पाएगा. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है? So because today's practice was awesome. कुछ नहीं करना था. Just चीजों को देख देख के thank you करना था. Those of you who did it, was it very tough? Don't you think it was a very easy, cute practice? कुछ नहीं करना है. You know, आराम से.
I did it, but in the first 10 minutes, I did not remember to do the magic morning thing. I wrote the blessings, but I did not remember to thank whatever thing I touched. So after that, the whole day, anything that I touched, I said thank you to it.
Okay, wonderful. Even that is fine because we just started. You know, of course, when you get up, you know, you are like thinking of something else. So it's perfectly fine. From tomorrow, when you get up, try and do it in the first half. Okay. And then if you want, you can continue it the whole day. Even that is amazing. The more you are thinking about things to be grateful for, your mind is occupied and you are not, you know, going below the line or fighting with someone or, you know, complaining. And the more you are grateful, the more magic will keep happening in your life. Okay, so Archit, same with you. So if you did not start it early in the morning, you can start tomorrow. एक भी practice ऐसी नहीं है कि आज.
When I woke up, I first hung my bed pillow, and then I just touched the feet of elder, and then I went to the washroom to brush my teeth. Then I thanked the tap, water, brush, and toothpaste.
Okay, very good. And that's how you continued, you know?
Yes.
And Pratyush, you did that practice as well?
Yeah, ma'am, I did.
Okay, same like how Viraj has explained. That is how you did
I
it?
have a sharing.
Okay, just 1 second, Viraj.
Ma'am, voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking.
Yeah, ma'am. Little.
Masi, perfect over here. I don't know if there is any problem with his mic.
Okay, okay. So, Pratyush, you get back, you know, when you are all sorted with the network as well. So let's hear one more sharing and then we'll do the warm up and then we'll start the practice. Practice reading.
Ma'am, I was really thankful to my mate today and our 24-hour servant. And I could see the glow in his eyes. And then he was playing cricket with me for a long time.
Okay, wow, very good. Yeah, very nice. And earlier he would not do that. And while you were playing, you were also, you know, grateful that yes, you are also enjoying the game with him. Good that you have a partner or, you know, to form a team and play, right? You were thankful for that as well.
He's actually 65 years old.
Oh, wow. And he was playing with you. Awesome. Awesome. Very nice. Very good. Okay, so I think let's start the warm up and start the reading. Yes. So Archit, now please unmute. Sorry.
Ma'am, can you please send the link of the younger one WhatsApp group?
Younger one? Man, this WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am, because my aunts want to do that.
Oh, acha. Okay. Okay. Younger one, man, like this group only, no?
Yes, ma'am, more than 18.
Oh, more than 18. Okay. See, but Ataf, that is not the magic book. The book that we are doing in the elder session right now is the power book. So I'll send the link of that.
Okay, ma'am, I have told them. They have told, okay, you just send me, I will do it.
Acha. Okay, okay, I'll do that. I'll send it. Okay. Yes. So let's start with the warm up and please unmute. And if you switch on the camera, then we'll all do shake it, right? So it'll be more fun. Yeah. Because the idea is to have more fun when we are doing this. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, start. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little fingers, and 1 little nose. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1
little nose.
Perfect. Yes. So Avni, we will start this book. Yeah. So today's chapter is another one on relationships. So if you notice, we have been doing health, relationship, money in this sequence, and in between we are doing essential, you know, kabhi magic morning kar liya, kabhi food ko kar liya. So we are continuously in gratitude. Now we are moving towards a little, you know, deeper gratitude. Yeah. So the more we are thinking about people to whom we have to who have helped us, whom we want to thank, the more the magic increases in our lives, the intensity of the magic increases. So today is one such practice that is very, very intense. Okay, and especially, you know, for you guys, because you have just started, and you will be able to remember and be grateful about those people even more. So yes, Avni, please start.
Day 12, magical people who made a difference.
Yeah. So here again, when we look at the picture, oh, sorry. Yeah. So if we see this again, you know, like a classic kind of a setup with the sofas, and there's an album. You guys know what an album is, or everything is on the phone only? Huh? Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know.
Yes.
What is
Okay.
it?
Cool. And this is a very ancient kind of an album in the sense why, you know, because all the photographs are pasted on it. If you look at it nowadays, we have, you know, those like sliders in which we slide the photographs, right? That is the kind of album you would remember.
Like I have an album of my great grand nanny, and she is 101 years old.
Okay, wow. So her album could be something like this, yeah. So where the photographs are pasted, it's like a black chart paper kind of a album which is like bound together, and you paste the photographs on it. Sometimes there are small
All the
corners.
photographs are black and white.
Yeah, all the photo, the
They're
whole.
black and white.
Yes, and in this picture, if you see, it
And
seems.
there's butter paper between these pages.
Yes, there is butter paper between the pages. Yes, that is there so that the photos don't get stuck and don't get spoiled. Yeah. So here what is happening is, if you see, it seems as if someone is going back. Whenever you're looking at the album, what are you doing? You are going back in time and reflecting. या कि यस हाँ यहाँ हम लोग छुट्टी पे गए थे, या इसकी शादी थी, हाँ यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने यहाँ डांस किया था, किसी की बर्थडे थी, क्या सेलिब्रेट किया था. देन वी आर पोरिंग ओवर द फोटोग्राफ्स एंड सीइंग, अच्छा उसने ये पहना हुआ था, ऐसा डेकोरेशन था, उस समय तुमने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया था. जनरली वी डू दिस ना व्हेन वी आर लुकिंग एट द एल्बम्स, या. एंड अच्छा इसने, यू नो, इसने ऐसे मुंह बनाया हुआ है, वो देखो कितना फनी लग रहा है, या. वी डू दिस, या. सो हियर अगेन व्हेन यू लुक एट दिस इमेज, someone is poring over the album and looking at the photographs. कुछ याद आ रहा है उनको. This is like a small baby, he koi bada jan hai. This is also someone senior. Here again I can't make out, seems someone who is a little senior. So this practice is about you going back in your life and reflecting. तो अर्चित सोचा होगा मैं तो खुद ही इतना छोटा हूँ, मैं कहाँ पीछे लाइफ में जाऊंगा. Still you नहीं सोच रहा से. Very good. So it is still about people who have helped you. It could be your teacher, definitely it could be one of your parents, who helped you in some situation, or someone who is very special to you who helped in a situation or helped you overcome something in your life. Yeah. So let's read what Rhonda is telling us, why we have to think of them and what do we have to do. Yes.
At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each one of us has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. Albert Schweitzer, 1875 to 1965, Nobel Peace Prize winning medical missionary and philosopher.
Yeah. So, everyone knows what is rekindled or rekindled, however you pronounce it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it is like at times our own light goes out. माने हमारी खुद की बत्ती जब बुझ जाती है, मतलब जब हम दुखी हो जाते हैं या sad हो जाते हैं. I don't want to make it very serious. Okay. So that's why I might, you know, just do some things. So जब हम खुद दुखी होते हैं या sad होते हैं, या अगर आपने ऐसे कभी, you might have, you know, दिवाली में सबने दिए जलाए हैं, candles जलाई हैं. आपने देखा होगा, या कभी मोमबत्ती भी जलाई होगी घर में, तो एक बहुत छोटी सी होती है, ऐसे टिम कर रही होती है, and it is about to go out. Then what do? You take another thing and, you know, bring it across and उसको ऐसे हम लोग, you know, tip to tip करते हैं, and that it becomes brighter. So ये same example वो हमारे human life में हमको बता रहे हैं कि कभी हुआ कि हम बहुत sad है कि मेरे marks नहीं अच्छे आए, कि मे बी हमको टीचर ने डांट दिया, हाँ, या मेरे घर में किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया हमको, and I am upset. Then what happens? Someone else cheers you up. Someone else boosts your energy, stamina नहीं, energy and your, you know, boost, हम क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कुछ थोड़ा सा charge कर दिया, and then you start feeling better and then you can go ahead. तो वो वाले जन को अगर हमने thankful किया है, तो वो बहुत सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है। एंड आज का प्रैक्टिस हमको यही बोलने वाला है दैट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर समवन who has been very very essential at the time when we were a little low in our life, and then we have to be thankful to them. Yes. And who have lighted the flame within us. या तो ये हो सकता है कि जब हम बहुत लो थे, या ये हो सकता है कि मे बी जैसे विराज यू प्ले टेनिस राइट, तो मे बी योर मॉम इंसिस्टेड कि नहीं विराज को टेनिस खेलना ही है, मे बी योर अदर फैमिली मेंबर्स सेड कि नहीं इतना क्यों जाएगा, पढ़ाई करना चाहिए, दिस दैट, बट योर मॉम सेड कि नहीं खेलने जाना है. और इट कुड हैव बीन योर फादर, योर ग्रैंडफादर.
Never.
नेवर. मतलब
But I think studies are more important. I think studies are more important.
Yes, but someone, this is just an example. आपको देखना है आपके लाइफ में कि क्या आपकी ऐसी कोई चीज है जिसमें आपको किसी ने इंट्रोड्यूस कराया. या if you like reading books and reading books is your passion, it could be it could be someone in your family or a friend, maybe a teacher who said नहीं book reading बहुत अच्छा होता है, and then you started liking reading books. Maybe you are very good at arts or some craft.
Like I had usually no interest in guitar, but my father forced me, and now I've gradually developed a lot of interest.
Yeah, so something like that. So if you feel कि हाँ ऐसा कोई जन है, not necessary कि हमेशा जब हम लो होते हैं तभी हमको कोई जन सपोर्ट करता है और आगे बढ़ाता है, but it could have been that you are loving something now and you were pushed into it by someone, and now you can think back कि हाँ अगर मम्मा इतना पुश नहीं करती हमको, ठीक है, तो हम कभी ये वाली फील्ड में नहीं आते, है ना. हमेशा मेरे बाल छोटे रखते, बट मॉम डिसाइडेड नहीं तुमको लॉन्ग हेयर चाहिए है. इट कुड बी समवन लाइक दैट, एंड यू लव योर हेयर, something or some character, or not character, some quality that you are liking in yourself a lot, some hobby or some field that you have taken and you were pushed into that by someone. उनको याद करके आज हमको उनके लिए gratitude करना है. Yeah, so please start, Avni.
Every one of us has received help, support, or guidance from other people at particular times in our life when we needed it the most. Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through their encouragement, guidance, or just being there at the right time. And then life goes on, and we tend to forget those times when one person touched us or changed our life. Sometimes you don't even realize the impact a person had until well into the future. When you look back on your life and realize that a particular person has pivotal in magically changing the direction of your life for the better.
Yeah, so here again Rhonda is telling us the same thing that I have already kind of told you, that we tend to forget about these people. Okay? जैसे मे बी कोई टीचर ने आपको बोला हो कि नहीं यही वाला तुम स्ट्रीम लो, तुम इसी में अच्छे हो, मैथ्स इज योर फॉर्टे, आपको मैथ्स ही प्रैक्टिस करना है. या आफ्टर रीडिंग योर composition, your English teacher told you are brilliant in English, you must pick up a habit of reading books and writing, and now you just love reading and writing poetry or paragraphs, whatever. So that kind of a person we forget. हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि किसने हम लोग को उस स्ट्रीम में इंट्रोड्यूस किया या कभी हमको उसने हेल्प की. तो आज हमको उन्हीं के याद करना है और उनको थैंकफुल होना है. ठीक है, वी डोंट हैव टू कॉल देम अप एंड से थैंक यू, वी डोंट हैव टू गो to them and say thank you. We will learn in the practice that what we have to actually do, but abhi to pehle humko unko yaad karna hai. Can you think of someone in your life who did like this? I feel parents to hona hi chahiye, one of your parents or both of them. Third person could be your cousin, an uncle or an aunt, or your school teacher, a coach maybe, or a friend, elder friend भी हो सकता है कोई. हाँ, तो आप देखो इस टाइप का कौन सा जन है जो आपको थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट किया, जिसने चेंज किया है कुछ आपके लाइफ में इन योर पास्ट, एंड वी विल वर्क on giving them gratitude. Yes,
My KG teacher.
okay, very good, so you already know it. Wonderful. Your Masi, very nice. Yeah, so yeah, please start. The person, yeah.
The person may have been a teacher or coach, an uncle, aunt, sibling, grandparent, or any family member. They may have been a doctor, nurse, or best friend. They may have been the person who introduced you to the current partner or to a particular interest that became one of your greatest passions. Maybe they were someone who you didn't even know, and they appeared in your life very briefly, performing a random act of kindness that touched you to the core.
Yeah, so she has given us the examples that which 3 people we can choose. Okay, so you have to think about these 3 people. उनकी फोटो नहीं ढूंढनी है, उनको कुछ नहीं करना, जैसे पहले वाले हम लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस में किया था ना, 3 फोटोग्राफ्स ढूंढे थे और फिर किया था, वैसा कुछ नहीं करना है. We just have to identify those 3 people. Yeah, let's continue.
My grandmother gave me my love for books, cooking, and the countryside. By sharing her love of those things with me, all of them affected and changed the course of my life. Cooking became a passion of mine for over 20 years. My love of books eventually led to me becoming a writer, and my love of the countryside has influenced where I've lived throughout my life.
Yeah, so she is telling us that her grandmother was a great influence on her. Yeah, she started reading because of her, she started cooking because of her, and she also started loving the countryside. And today, when she's telling us, yeah, she loved reading books, so today she's a brilliant writer, and cooking has been a passion for her for over 20 years. And she loves the countryside so much that she actually has a house, you know, in the countryside, apart from one near the ocean, जो हम लोग आगे भी पढ़ेंगे. Yeah, so इस टाइप का कोई पर्सन आप देखो, ऐसा कोई है. Maybe you like your auntie's, you know, sense of style and dressing, and आप उससे influenced हो रहे हो. Maybe it is your uncle who is into sports, and आप उससे influence हो गए, you have started into that. Maybe someone in your house loves cooking or singing, and you have realized that you also like that and you want to continue on that path. तो इस टाइप का जन को ही सोचना है आपको. Okay, it can be someone that, you know, not someone, generally a family member only, जिन्होंने आपको बोला कि नहीं डांस क्लासेस करना है, बहुत एसेंशियल है, एंड यू हैव स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग दैट. या लाइक विराज सेड गिटार के लिए हिज फादर इंसिस्टेड. तो इस टाइप का कोई चीज देखो आप कि ऐसा कौन है जो आपकी लाइफ में था, जिसने आपको बहुत स्ट्रांगली इन्फ्लुएंस किया, एंड यू वांट टू थैंक देम. या
My grandmother also disciplined me with a steel hand to say thank you. At the time, I thought she was just teaching me to be polite. It was only later in my life I realized that teaching me to say the magic words was the greatest gift my grandmother ever gave me. She is not alive anymore, but I continue to be grateful to her for the huge influence she had on my course of my life. On the course of my life. Thank you, Grandma.
Yeah, so she is telling us one more thing. See, this book is all about thank you, being grateful, and she's telling us that her grandmother disciplined her with a steel hand. Steel hand मतलब ये नहीं कि स्टील की स्केल से पिटाई की थी, नहीं. Steel hand means like a firm, strict grandmother she was, and she insisted that she say thank you. उस समय उनको लगा कि दादी माँ या नानी माँ जो भी थी उनकी, वो खाली उनको पोलाइट होने के लिए थैंक यू बोलने को बोल रही हैं. वो बहुत बाद में उनको समझ में आया कि थैंक यू बोलने का इफेक्ट क्या है. एंड यू गाइज आर रियली लकी कि हम लोग को अभी से ही पता चल रहा है, आप लोग सबको अभी से पता चल रहा है कि थैंक यू बोलना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड अगर जो थोड़ा थोड़ा मैजिक आना शुरू हो रहा है, वो सिर्फ इसीलिए हो रहा है that you have understood the importance of being grateful, that you are looking at things that yes, this is so essential, this is so important, and you are being thankful to it. And देखिए, she has chosen her grandmother who's not there anymore. Still she is saying thank you to her. Okay, so if you feel someone who is like really important to you is not there in your life, maybe आप उनके टच में नहीं हो, वो स्कूल में थे या केजी के टीचर जैसे विराज कह रहा है, तो आप उनको भी आज थैंक यू बोल सकते हो. Okay. Yes.
Today, you are going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life. Find a quiet place alone sometime during the day today. Sit down and think of 3 extraordinary people who have made a difference in your life. Once you have your 3 people, work with one person at a time and talk out loud to each person as though they were present, telling him or her the reasons why you're grateful to them and how they affected the course of your life.
Yeah, so we have to think of 3 magical people who have impacted your life. Okay, those 3 extraordinary people who made a difference in your life, उनके बारे में सोचना है. और क्या करना है, एक शांति की एक अकेली जगह ढूंढनी है. ठीक है, इट शुड नॉट बी कि विराज एंड विवान बैठ के एक जगह सोच रहे हैं, दोनों में थोड़ी देर बाद यू नो कुछ डिफरेंसेस हो जाएं. तन्वी एंड अवनी दोनों जन को भी एक संग बैठ के नहीं करना है. ओके, यू हैव टू सिट क्वाइटली इन सम प्लेस. क्यों? बिकॉज यू हैव टू टॉक आउट लाउड. हाँ, आपको जोर से बात करनी है उनसे. ठीक है, यू हैव टू इमेजिन, और एक्चुअल में नहीं करनी है. ठीक है, You have to imagine that they are sitting in front of you and you have to say thank you to them. ठीक है? And you have to give the reasons why you are grateful to them and how they affected the course of your life. This is very important कि आपको सोचना है कि वो आपके सामने बैठे हुए हैं. ये नहीं कि जल्दी जल्दी कल 2 बजे हमको मिलना है, 2 बजे का सेशन है, चलो 2 बजे में 10 मिनट में कर लेते हैं, दूसरा वाले जन को बाद में कर लेंगे. नहीं, ये 3 जन की प्रैक्टिस एक के बाद एक इमेजिन करके करना है. ठीक है? कि पहले आपने, यू आर सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर, सामने वाला जन भी चेयर पे बैठा हुआ है मे बी, या सामने वाला बेड पे बैठा हुआ है, आप चेयर पे बैठे, आई डोंट नो, वो आप सोच लो कहाँ पे बैठा हुआ. यू हैव टू इमेजिन दैट दैट पर्सन इज सिटिंग देयर एंड यू आर टेलिंग दैट पर्सन थैंक यू कि आपने मेरे को इतना इतना कुछ दिया, क्योंकि उससे मेरी लाइफ में ये चेंज आ गए, दैट आई हैव स्टार्टेड लविंग गिटार मोर, एवरीवन अप्रिशिएट्स दैट आई लव गिटार, दैट आई प्ले सो वेल, आई एम सो हैप्पी कि आपने मेरे को, वी विल सी हाउ शी टेल्स अस, बट इस तरीके से करना है. और एक जन चला गया, आप फिर दूसरे जन को बोलोगे और फिर तीसरे जन को बोलोगे. ठीक है? इट कुड बी योर मॉम, डैड, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, सिबलिंग्स, कजन्स, आंट्स, अंकल्स, टीचर्स, योर फ्रेंड्स. वो बोल रहे हैं कोई, मे बी इट्स लाइक योर स्कूल प्रिंसिपल जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, मे बी इट इज लाइक योर व्हाटएवर, जो भी जिस स्ट्रीम में हो उसके बारे में भी आप बोल सकते हो. ओके, या प्लीज कंटिन्यू अवनी.
Make sure you do this magical practice with all 3 people in the one session, because it will take your feeling of gratitude to a far deeper level. If you split up this magical practice throughout the day, you will not feel the same depth of gratitude nor receive the magical results.
Yeah, तो अब आप ये भी नहीं सोचना है, she's saying 3 people in the one session. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तीनों जन एक संग सोफे पे बैठे हुए हैं और आप सामने से थैंक यू बोल रहे हो. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. एक जन आया, वो गया, फिर दूसरा जन आया. ठीक है? इट हैज टू बी लाइक दैट एंड यू हैव टू डू इट कलेक्टिवली. माने आपने बैठा, आपने स्टार्ट किया, 2 मिनट एक जन से बात की, फिर वो चला गया, फिर दूसरा जन आया. जैसे डॉक्टर के सामने पेशेंट आते जाते रहते हैं, राइट? नॉट अ गुड एग्जाम्पल, बट आपको ऐसे ही सोचना है. एक ही जगह आपको, सॉरी, like a PTM, yes, like a PTM, very good अर्चित. ठीक है? तो वैसे करना है एंड एक ही बार में करना है. डू नॉट स्प्लिट अप दिस मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस. इसलिए ये बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि एक के बाद जब आप एक बोलते हो तो क्या होता है, एक उसी जोन में आप रहोगे, उसी ग्रैटिट्यूड वाली फीलिंग में रहेंगे. जब आपने एक को बोला, फिर आप दूसरे को बोल रहे हो, फिर तीसरे को बोल रहे हो, तो आप सोचो ना, उतने वो 10 मिनट कितना ज्यादा ग्रैटिट्यूड आप फील करें. और जितना ज्यादा ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करेंगे उतना ज्यादा मैजिकल रिजल्ट आएंगे. किसमें आएंगे? हमारे लाइफ में आएंगे. जो हम चाहते हैं, कल जो हम लोग ड्रीम्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, हर चीज में उसके मैजिकल रिजल्ट्स आने स्टार्ट होंगे. क्या? प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Here's an example of what you might say. Sarah, I want to thank you for the time that you encouraged me to follow my heart. I was lost and confused that day, and your words touched me and lifted me out of despair. Because of what you said, I found the courage to follow my dream, and I moved to France to work as an apprentice chef. I am living my dream, and I couldn't be happier. All because of what you said to me that day. Thank you, Sarah.
Yeah, please continue.
It's very important that you say the reasons why you're grateful, and you can't say too much. Instead, the more you say and the more you feel, the more amazing the results. You will see the magic explode into your life from doing this practice. It numbers among the most powerful acts of gratitude you can ever perform.
So what Rhonda Bunn is telling us, that it is very important we say the reasons. Why is it important we say the reasons? Because when you are finding the reasons, we are looking at the feelings. We are not looking at the feelings, we are feeling something different. आज जब आप वो मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, when you were thanking for the bed or the chair or your slippers, तो you were thinking ना कि इसके बिना कैसी होती लाइफ, इसके बिना आप कहाँ सोते, कैसे चलते, right? When you are writing your blessings in the morning, you are giving a reason. Because लिख के आप reason लिखते हो ना कि क्यों आप उसके लिए ग्रेटफुल हो. तो उसलिए जब हम रीजन देते हैं तो हमारी फीलिंग्स और दिल से निकलती है और डेप्थ की फीलिंग्स आती हैं. तो इसलिए जितना ज्यादा फीलिंग से बोलोगे उतना ज्यादा मैजिक का एक्सप्लोजन होएगा. व्हाट इज एक्सप्लोड? माने लाइक लॉर्ड ऑफ, लाइक एक्सप्लोजन मतलब बहुत ज्यादा वॉल्यूम में, है ना? यही हुआ ना एक्सप्लोजन ऑफ. क्या सबने साइंस में पढ़ा है ना? बताओ, व्हाट इज एक्सप्लोजन?
Bursting out.
bursting out or like बहुत बड़ी
Volcano type of thing.
like a huge थिंग ना, बहुत सारा वॉल्यूम में कोई चीज आती तभी तो बर्स्ट होगा, छोटा सा ऐसे ट्वी से तो कुछ नहीं होगा, इट हैज टू बी लाइक ह्यूज. या तो who's this मोटा भाई now? Okay, so ठीक है. Okay, so we have to do this practice because yeah, Archit, your voice is not clear. So we have understood now that the जितना ज्यादा हम लोग
He's saying that if you don't know that person, you can remove that person from the group. I think that is what he's trying to say.
Oh, okay, but I don't know who is this person. Anyone knows? Or maybe someone just changed their name. I don't know.
Yeah, they're probably pranking us.
Oh, we can do that. So I have to
Yeah.
remove that person. Okay.
Yes, Masi, you can just near that person's name, you can see 3 dots and then you can remove them from the meeting.
Okay. But how did
If
this
you
happen?
want to. I don't know.
Ah,
We don't know.
Someone probably got the link and they changed their name and entered the chat.
oh, okay, okay. So you please, you guys notice this, okay? ठीक है, and tell me. Otherwise, I will not know.
Yeah, it can happen sometimes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay, ठीक है. Good. So good now. Okay, it happened in your classes. Okay, ठीक है. So I'll now please continue. Yes.
Not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down your words to each person and address them as though you're writing a letter.
Yeah. So she's telling us if you feel कि नहीं घर में अभी मेरे को alone time नहीं मिलेगा, lockdown है और सब लोग घर पे.
Ma'am, instead of doing that, you can just log the meeting after 8:15.
अच्छा, okay. So I'll understand from you how to do that. Okay. So ठीक है, from tomorrow we'll do that. ठीक है. Yeah. So now Rhonda is telling us that if we don't have space कि हम अकेले में बात कर सके किसी से, so we can write a letter. जैसे हम लोग ने स्कूल में सबने सीखा है ना कैसे लेटर लिखते हैं, राइट? तो लेटर लिखना है एंड देन वी हैव टू गिव द रीजंस. आई फील यू शुड स्पीक इट आउट बिकॉज वो सबसे अच्छा होता है. बट इफ यू फील कि नहीं पहले लिख लेने से ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, देन यू राइट इट एंड देन से इट आउट लाउड. वो बहुत इफेक्टिव होता है. जो बोलने में जो फीलिंग्स आती है ना व्हेन यू आर लिसनिंग टू दोज वर्ड्स, वो बहुत अच्छा रहता है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रीड अलाउड व्हेन यू आर स्टडीइंग फॉर द एग्जाम्स?
Ma'am, I.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
that is
Ma'am,
very वंडरफुल. बहुत अच्छा रहता है. ओके, तो एकदम ऐसे ही करना चाहिए. तो ये लेटर भी जब आप इफ यू फील कि नहीं हम इम्प्रॉम्प्टू ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, वेरी गुड, यू कैन डू दैट. अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट इट डाउन एंड देन से इट. ठीक है, तो बस यही करना. यू डोंट हैव टू कॉल दैट पर्सन, यू डोंट हैव टू टेल दैट पर्सन, यू जस्ट हैव टू इमेजिन दैट दैट पर्सन इज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड you have to tell it. Yeah, please continue.
When you have completed this practice, you will feel a huge difference in the way that you feel. The evidence of gratitude's power working is always that first and foremost, it makes you happy. The secondary evidence of gratitude's power is that you attract wonderful things. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things, which will make you even happier. That's the magic of life. And that's the magical power of gratitude.
Yeah. So now what Rhonda Byrne is telling us that after you do this practice of telling thanks to 3 people, giving the reasons, first sign is that you will feel very nice, very happy. First sign is this. Secondary evidence of gratitude's power is that you will start attracting wonderful things. And what are wonderful things? कि आपको जो खाने का मन होगा वो आ जाएगा. आपके सिबलिंग्स आपको और अच्छे से प्यार करेंगे. ठीक है, माने लाइक अच्छा ठीक है तुम ही खेलो पहले, तुम ही रिमोट ले लो टीवी का, ठीक है तुम ही लैपटॉप में पहले काम कर लो, लाइक व्हाटएवर, आई डोंट नो, तुम ही पहले वॉशरूम चले जाओ. अदरवाइज देयर इज ऑलवेज अ फाइट ना, वरना जल्दी निकलो. नहीं होता सिबलिंग्स में, वी यूज्ड टू डू ना व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू शेयर अ टॉयलेट विद माय सिस्टर. तो वो सब कम हो जाएगा. ऐसे सी दिस इज जस्ट एग्जांपल. अगर नहीं हुआ तो डोंट चार्ज मी कि नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ, आपने कहा था. यू डोंट नो व्हाट वंडरफुल you will attract. Maybe you will start getting gifts, maybe you will get an occasional off from something that you don't want to do. Anything can happen. And जब वो होएगा आप और खुश होगे. So it's like a cycle. आप खुश हुए, आपके लाइफ में अच्छी चीजें हुई तो आप और खुश होगे. फिर जब आप और खुश होगे तो और अच्छी चीजें होंगी, बिकॉज वॉट वी आर गिविंग इज वॉट वी आर रिसीविंग. इट इज ऑलवेज अ साइकिल. इफ यू आर फीलिंग बैड, you will attract negative things, and when you attract negative things, what will happen? You will feel more sad. तो और नेगेटिव चीजें आ जाएंगी. तो जो साइकिल आप चलाना चाहते हो ये आपके हाथ में है. इफ यू वांट गुड थिंग्स कमिंग इन योर लाइफ, यू हैव टू फील हैप्पी, फील ग्रेटफुल, गुड थिंग्स विल हैपन. इफ यू, इसलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ना कि जैसे ही कुछ दुखी की बात आई ना, इट्स लाइक कुछ मन की चीज नहीं हुई. सपोज मम्मा ने आज तरोई बना दी और खाना ही पड़ेगा, डोंट वांट टू हैव. खा लिया, गुस्सा नहीं किया, तुम आपको पता है कि बिलो द लाइन जाएंगे तो गड़बड़ होएगा. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा गुस्सा आया तरोई की सब्जी देख के, मम्मा आज आप ही खा लो, आपको ज्यादा, आई डोंट नो, हमने ये सब नहीं बता रहे. ठीक है, ये सब हम करते हैं, तो आई विल नॉट टेल यू दिस. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, you realize that something is not as per your liking. You, instead of sulking about it, instead of being sad about it, angry about it, irritated about it, you just stay calm and start doing something that you like. ठीक है, जिससे वापस खुशी आ जाएगी. तो ये हम लोग को अपने आप को ट्रेन करना होगा. ठीक है, you should listen to your parents, you should have all the vegetables, but you should not get upset or sad about things. That is the most important thing. So this is what the practice is also telling us to do. When you are in this gratitude zone, you are feeling more and more happy, and when you are happy, you are attracting good things, and when you attract good things, you are more happy and more wonderful things keep happening. Yeah.
I used to have all the vegetables except karela.
Okay, very good, Archit. You are a wonderful boy. Yes, very nice. So जो लोग नहीं खाते हैं, सब लोग समझ लो. He eats everything, and just look at him. He's so brilliant and so cute also, Archit. Huh? Yeah.
Karela is pretty tasty.
It's pretty tasty. But Viraj, you don't have bottle guard, yeah? Actually, bottle guard is tastier than Karela.
Yeah, ma'am, I also like Karela.
Okay.
I have it,
You
but I
have.
don't like its shape.
अच्छा. वो तो कट हो जाता है, उसमें शेप कहाँ से दिखता है? हाँ?
My mom cuts it in a triangular shape, which I don't like.
Okay. Okay. So we'll have to tell your mom not to cut it in triangles now. So Avni, let's continue. Then we can do just a little bit of visualization about what you are going to do tomorrow. Yeah, please start.
Magic practice number 12. Magical people who made a difference. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for the blessing as you can. Find a quiet place alone sometime during the day. And make a list of 3 people who made a difference in your life. Walk through the list one person at a time. And while talking aloud, tell each person the reason why you're grateful for them and exactly how they affected the course of your life. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah. So thank you, Avni, for reading so nicely for all of us. Yeah. So everyone has understood what the practice is. You have to think of 3 people. You have to sit down quietly in a room so that you are in the mood. It should not be that you are in a rushed up or a hassled state and you start with this practice, then you'll not get the feeling of gratitude. Okay, so you have to sit down, take some time, and imagine that that person is sitting in front of you, and you have to tell them how they affected your life and why you are grateful to them. If you feel कि नहीं बोलने में तुरंत सारी चीजें नहीं आएंगी, you can write it down and then read it to that person in front of you. Okay, so I think the practice is clear with everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So any more sharings? I think Archit, if you take that hands free, remove it. No. Acha, ठीक है.
Actually, my laptop is not having mic. That's why.
Okay. ठीक है. So write about it ना in your dreams. कल हम लोग बात करते हैं उसके बारे में. ठीक है. So all of you have written. I'm assuming you have written your dreams. हम लोगों ने डे 0 में प्लान किया था ना कि क्या चाहिए हमको, उसकी हम लोग एक लिस्ट बनाएंगे. तो अगर किसी ने नहीं बनाई है, ठीक है, तो आज वो एक छोटा सा ना पॉइंटर्स कर लेना कि क्या क्या चाहिए, एटलीस्ट उससे शुरुआत कर लेते हैं. देन टुमारो 2 o'clock when we are meeting, the link will be same. If you feel 2 to 2:30 टाइम थोड़ा सा लग रहा है वैसा and you want to prepone it, we can meet even at 1:45. Is that okay? जैसा भी हो.
Ma'am, 2:30 is perfect.
2:30 we'll wind up. We'll finish by 2:30.
I
2:45.
Ma'am, 1:30 is perfect for starting.
Okay, 1:30.
Okay, so we'll just confirm in the group. It will be any time between 1:30 to 2, and we will meet there and we'll discuss how are we going to write our dreams. अभी हम लोग खाली प्रेजेंट टेंस में लिखना शुरू करेंगे, उसके बाद शाम को जो सेशन होगा वो हम लोग को पूरा बताएगा कि उसका हमको करना क्या है, कैसे हमारी ड्रीम्स हमको मिलेंगी.
Ma'am, the session of 1:30 or 2 o'clock, is it compulsory for everybody if they have no doubts?
No, it is not compulsory. It is just something that I thought you might need. So it is not a compulsory session. See,
Okay.
This session too is not compulsory. We are just doing it for.
I was about to tell this, that even this session is not compulsory. It is totally up to you if you want to attend. If you feel that yes, things are a little positive, don't you think that you have started feeling a little happier and nicer? No? So,
Yeah.
yeah. So yes, very good. Thank you. And it is all because of something that you guys are doing. I am not doing anything. Thank
I
you.
don't really think about this session as a school class. I think this as an friends Zoom meeting.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Yes, I also feel so. I feel very happy.
Yes, it's a very correct thing.
Yeah, it's a really good vibe.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. I'm
ma'am.
loving all the hearts. Thank you. अच्छा, I was saying, किसी ने वो वीडियो गेम्स का नाम तो भेजा नहीं, यहाँ सब बताए, मेरे को सिर्फ एक टेम्पल रन याद रहा, ठीक है, और PUBG आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू प्ले, कैंडी क्रश तो मैंने बंद ही कर दिया. या
Ma'am, and ma'am, which time we want to join yesterday?
tomorrow.
Sorry,
हाँ, tomorrow we will join around 1:30 or 2, ठीक है, I will write in the group. Okay.
Ma'am, you can again continue with Angry Birds. Ma'am, a new season is about to come.
अच्छा, new season is about to
You can play Manner Matters.
Which one?
Manner Matters, which I play.
अच्छा, you write in the group है, तुम्हें को समझ नहीं आया और फिर दिखाई भी नहीं पड़ेगा मेरे को, ठीक है, you write in the group. Okay.
Actually, that game helps to improve our vocabulary.
Vocabulary. No, I play, sometimes I play Sudoku, sometimes I play that word formation.
Ma'am, you can play crossword. Ma'am, it's like a word search only.
Okay. Crosswords I know, Viraj, I'm not so ancient also. हाँ, ठीक है. In fact, crossword तो सदियों से चलता चला. ठीक है.
Ma'am, I'm just talking about the app one.
अच्छा, okay. Okay. So I think Viraj is the most, what is it called? Knowledgeable. उसको सब चीज के बारे में पता है. Thank you, Viraj, for all this information that you provide us. Yes.
You're most welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, for sports class, which you told will be at 2 p.m. Ma'am,
Yeah.
will join the same link.
Yeah, same link.
Okay.
And Kushi, you are there, na? Yes. No. Yeah, you are going to send the link of that Rageshwari wala interview, okay? So that everyone hears that. And what else was I saying? Should we do a little bit of a visualization as to how you are going to thank the person tomorrow? Are you okay with that? Should we do?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So what you have to do, you have to switch on your cameras and sit, not lie down. Ki so jaya, and I'm saying some yog nidra kind of a thing and you'll fall asleep. No, you have to sit with your eyes closed, sit straight, and then we will start. Okay. Yeah. So close your eyes. Your back is almost straight. Take a deep breath. Thank you. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. One more time. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Relax your body. Just focus on your breathing. Remember the time when you were a little low or something was bothering you and you were upset or sad or worried and were at a loss as to what you want to do. Then you spoke to someone, that special someone who is so important to you, or that person could have just been a stranger. Think of that person now. How he or she guided you and helped you. Today, you are in a better position, a better place, a happier place because of that person. That person is right in front of your eyes, your closed eyes. You're looking at him or her. What are you going to tell him or her? Will you tell him or her that how wonderfully you are performing your duties at home? How happy you are in the situation you are now? That how grateful you are for the skills that he or she has taught you? Will you share your current scenario, your current happiness with that person? How will you thank that person? You are so blessed that that person guided you and helped you in your time of need. You are so blessed that person showed you the path. You are so grateful that person was there at that particular time to help you pull through that situation. Keep focusing on this goodness that you're feeling now. Focus on the goodness of that person, how that person guided you. It could have been a simple act of kindness or just a gentle nudge to push you towards your dream, your skill, your hobby. Thank you, thank you, thank you to that special person. Now bring your attention back to your breathing. A deep breath in and a long breath out. A deep breath in and a long breath out. A deep breath in and a long breath out. Imagine the smile on that person's face when you are saying these things. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now gently and slowly open your eyes.
Pretty nice.
Okay, thank you, Raj.
It was very soothing.
Yeah, thank you. So when you're actually doing this practice tomorrow, you will feel super amazing. Because see, right now I don't
I
know.
got actually fully engrossed in it, and I started imagining what you were saying.
Okay, yeah, that is why I called it visualization. So whenever you are doing something like this, you have to imagine yourself. Yeah, that person is actually there, and before you sit down for this practice, just write down the names. It should not be कि you have started thinking अब अच्छा इसको भी बुला लेते हैं, उसको भी बुला लेते हैं, नहीं नहीं उसने भी कुछ किया था, नहीं ऐसा नहीं करना है. पहले ही वो 3 जन के बारे में सोच लेना है, ठीक है. एंड आई एम 100% श्योर उसमें से एक ना एक जन तो आपके पेरेंट्स होंगे ही होंगे, है ना, बिकॉज दे आर द ट्रू पीपल हु गाइड यू. अगर आज आप स्कूल में भी हो जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आज आपके फ्रेंड्स भी हैं जो बहुत अच्छे हैं आपके संग, वो इसीलिए मिले बिकॉज योर पेरेंट्स सेंट यू टू दैट स्कूल. या व्हाटएवर यू आर टुडे इज बिकॉज ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स और योर फैमिली. तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग उनमें से एक ना एक तो आपके होंगे, अगर दोनों नहीं होते हैं तो, ठीक है. सो जस्ट थिंक ऑफ द पीपल यू वांट टू थैंक, जिन्होंने एक्चुअल में आपको लगता है कि नहीं पेरेंट्स तो करते ही हैं, बट कुछ एक चीज बहुत अच्छी लगती है आपको अभी अपने में, या जो आप कर रहे हो, उनके लिए आप किनको बोलना चाहते हो? थिंक ऑफ दोज पीपल. Okay, so today was a nice and sweet and compact class. We are done. So कुछ sharing है या कुछ question है in wow so cute Mahima. Yeah, so everyone can see the cute puppy. Sorry, I forgot his name. Sunny. Yeah, Sunny.
Yeah.
Yes. So कुछ question है, कुछ clarification है.
Mahima Didi is right. This Among Us game is also a very nice game.
Among Us. Oh.
Yes, I do like that game a lot.
Yeah, ठीक है. Good. Thank you. I'll note it down again. Otherwise, I will remember it later.
I think there are specific times for a game. Like for 2 months, I played Among Us, then I swapped it from another game, and then for again 2 months, I played one game, and then other game.
Acha, okay. I don't know this. I'll just Google and find out what is this about. Then I will play. And since you guys are saying it's good, I will definitely attempt it. Yeah. And I was about to.
We will play together.
Oh, is it? Okay, ठीक है. We should do that.
Till the game you got the names of the games. That the best game is this Among Us only.
It's an online game, and it's basically designed for playing with friends.
Free Fire.
Free Fire. Okay.
No, please do not
Ma'am,
play
it's exactly
Free Fire.
the same of PUBG. Ma'am, it's exactly the same of PUBG.
No. Don't give me all these scary games. ना उनके बारे में पढ़ के I got scared. I said, I
No,
don't.
ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
can
it is like not PUBG. It is means interesting then.
Acha, okay. ठीक है. I'll do that. I will see.
one more
and
game
try
I
it out.
got.
Otherwise, I'll go back to Angry Birds only. ठीक है.
One more game I got.
Yeah, which one?
Scary Teacher 3D. Matlab, that's not scary.
I don't want some zombie games. Okay. No.
No, that's not a zombie game.
हाँ.
That's
Okay.
not a zombie game. It is, you can search on the YouTube also. Scary Teacher 3D pranks. It is like a pranks only.
अच्छा, ठीक है. बहुत सही बात है. I'm supposed to be teaching you and you're telling me what scary teacher. ठीक है. Okay. Okay, so.
Only नाम से वो scary teacher है. अंदर जाओगे तो वो एकदम ऐसे बहुत funny है.
Okay, so Maima. Okay, ठीक है. I'll check it out. And Maima is telling us piano tiles. ठीक है. I'll look at that also. Yeah. So. Okay, ठीक है. Very good. Enough of games now. You have to do the practice. ठीक है. कल ये practice करनी है और magic morning. You can do it every day. ठीक है. पूरा टाइम भी कर सकते हो. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि बस आज कर ली तो खत्म, कल नहीं करनी. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द मोर गुड यू गेट एट व्हाट being grateful, and the more good you get at being grateful, more magic will happen in your life. Yeah, so we are meeting tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have one more game. Ma'am, its name is Friv Games. Ma'am, it has thousands of games in a single app.
अच्छा, I don't want उसमें 1000 में ना चूज ही करते रह जाते हैं. Just give me one name, so I'm happy like that. Otherwise, I keep surfing. ये खेलें, वो खेलें, like how we decide what to watch ना. देखते ही जा रहे हैं कौन सी.
We usually play games of guns and zombies that you don't like.
No, I don't.
Yeah, ma'am.
नहीं, एकदम भी नहीं. ठीक है. So let's do the gratitude. Enough of no games, no guns, no zombies. Games खेलेंगे. But I am not going to play these games, guns and zombies वाला. ठीक है. बहुत मुश्किल से अभी हम थ्रिलर से बाहर निकले हैं. Otherwise, I was watching all these serials only. बहुत मुश्किल से नहीं, easily निकल आए हैं. Now I don't want to go back.
I usually watch South Indian movies.
Okay, cool. ठीक है. Yeah, very nice. But they're supposed to be quite comedy also, right? So ठीक है.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is full of violence. And then I just hold my mother's hand while sleeping.
So you should not watch them. Okay, and watch Pollyanna. You have watched it or not?
Watched.
Yeah, good.
Yes, ma'am, watched.
Okay, very nice. So yeah, Pictionary also I love. Yeah, but I've never played it online. Online Pictionary is also there.
Ma'am, you can play Ludo online.
अच्छा, ठीक है. I always used to play it. Actually, I was okay. ठीक है, we can do that. वो भी
Ma'am, you can play Ludo King.
Ludo King.
Yes, ma'am, I have one more also.
A very nice game.
Ma'am, I
Township.
have one more game.
Yeah, which one?
Chess. Chess.
Chess. No, I don't want to play
Yeah.
chess.
Online chess is very difficult.
No, I know the steps and all, but I don't want to play chess. I think थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा serious हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
Ma'am, most of the people think that it's difficult because it has blitz. It has timer. We usually do not play with timer.
Okay, I think I'll start with Scrabble. वो सबसे अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. अभी ऐसे ही सोचते सोचते, because I've played
Cantrip is a very nice game.
अर्चित कुछ नहीं सुना.
Ma'am, I think Candy Crush is the best option then.
Ma'am, can we
No,
go
no,
to
I think
ma'am? Can we go to Grateful?
Yes, that's what I'm about to say. Enough of games. Now let's do the gratitude, okay? And go back to dinner or doing the practice. And Magic Rock you have to do. ठीक है. अच्छा, जिसका भी वो फाइबर वाला रॉक था ना, जिसका भी है, मतलब अभी लॉकडाउन के कारण नहीं मिला, या वो ग्लास का मार्बल था, तो प्लीज बी ऑन द लुकआउट एंड राइट अबाउट इट दैट यू हैव गॉट दैट रॉक, ओके? बिकॉज वो स्टोन होना चाहिए, स्टोन पत्थर वैसा होना चाहिए, मार्बल मान इस टाइप का होना चाहिए, ठीक है? ग्लास का या फाइबर का या प्लास्टिक का होने से वो नहीं आता है. वाई? बिकॉज उसमें फीलिंग कैसे हम समझाएंगे, उसमें ज्यादा अच्छा कनेक्ट आएगा, ठीक है? वो आर्टिफिशियल चीज में नहीं आएगा. सो इट हैज टू बी अ स्टोन और अ रॉक, ठीक है? सो इफ यू आर यूजिंग इट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन इश्यूज, देन इट्स ऑल राइट, बट बी ऑन द लुकआउट दैट यू गेट दैट एक्चुअल रॉक और स्टोन. या ठीक है. सो लेट्स join our hands and close our eyes and pay gratitude to the supreme power. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the great Almighty and the wonderful 5 elements of nature who have blessed us with abundance in all our areas. Thank you for the good health of my family and loved ones. Thank you for the wonderful health of this perfect body of mine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
and
you.
guys, tomorrow at 1:30 or 2, I will continue the time. Yes. Oh,
Thank
Rana, you're looking very pretty. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Bye-bye.